kita akan review one of our crew, that is IZACK. Alright, so back again in the channel part 2. Tonight kita akan review one of our crew, that is IZACK. Aku dah tengok dia banyak konsep around the car. Memang from more graphics to cleaner. So this, I think, I don't know lah, final look of the car or not. But so this is the one there, IZACK. Want to share us a bit of the car?
Hi guys, I'm IZACK from Stapak. So this is my Saga VVT manual MC1 year 2021. So I purchased it on 2021 April. So I have it around like almost to 4 years, close to 4 years. So overall the car is I'll say the car is very good in handling wise and also comfort, but not for fuel efficient. But for fuel efficient is if you drive for long distance, yes, it's efficient enough lah. I also have found Protongasm. So how the way I've joined Protongasm is through Instagram and through my friends as well, who they invited me to join over in the Protongasm community, and I've been here for almost 2 years plus, I think.
Yeah, brother, since we started lah, somewhere since we started, he's been there with us. So really proud of the progress he made. Kita in the community, we support each other, even though we feel like something is not right for the car, but it's the owner's taste. So kita support je apa dia nak buat. Later on dia akan sedar lah benda tu.
Yeah, so Protongasm members are very supportive among each other. We go to events together and we create more memories in all the events that we have participated all this while. So my car setup, as you can see, is currently, I don't know the number how many it's set up, but I've done the mods which I've done is adjustable. Yes.
So this is the car. A very clean car. How many fingers? 2.
No, it's only one.
One finger.
Yeah.
You cannot fit 2, it's 1.
Yeah, one. So one finger is adjustable. I'm using 01 SSR 550, and so far I've been using for around 6 months, and it's very good lah. It's very good in comfort.
Soft.
And also it's quite comfort, and also it's quite good in cornering also as well as I took. So no regrets in taking this adjustable. And the wheel setup this is number 15th rim.
The 15 rim on this car.
For past 3 years plus is 15 rims. So this is 15 times 18. 15 times 8JJ ET20 CE28, and the tires I'm using is Toyota TR1, and it's a quite grippy tire for a budget price, I would say.
Grippy, yeah?
Yes, it's quite grippy in wet
How
and
about
dry.
in the rain?
Same, it's quite grippy and
Same.
good. Yes.
I like your headlights.
Yes, the headlights is custom by Zozen. So this is the Demon Eye, and then this is the DRL. It's called DRL. And this is also
You smoke it,
signal. Yeah, it's a bit smoke. 2 layers of smoke, and then this is signal and also your DRL together.
Oh, this is the yang keberapa?
This is the second custom headlamp.
Second custom.
Second.
I think I like this one better.
Yeah, the first one was a bit simple, and this one is more to like projector.
I say this.
Yeah, this is the OEM.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, so this is the DRL, and then we got signal and
Signal
also welcome light. So welcome light is this. You open the door, there is a light.
There's a light.
Yeah,
in it.
welcome. It's welcome light.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's
That's a
only
nice.
for the
That's a
front
nice feature.
door. Yes, that's right. Then underglow is the whole car RGB, and then mostly it's just the engine bay, I see.
Yeah, engine bay. There's a bit of red there. I see you have a body kit.
Yeah, body kit. Front is R3 skirt. The side is Voltex, and the rear is Drive 68.
Also ducktail.
Yes, and I have this ducktail. It's also called Drive 68 ducktail, so it matches with the
It's a bit longer than what you expect. It's going to be.
Yes.
You can see here how long it is. Just a bit.
Yeah.
And diffuser also.
Yeah, diffuser. This is the drive shifting diffuser, and then this is custom a bit. I've done for the last.
What's the light?
This is V2 version 2 of the OEM aftermarket.
I like it because it's very simple to the eye.
Yes, correct. That's why I've been using this as well. I'm more into this design than the others.
Before this, which one do you use before this?
It's the same one.
Same one.
Only
That's clear.
Smoke, red black, and also albino.
So before this?
Albino.
Oh yeah, before this it uses albino.
Yes.
But I think compared that one to this one, I like this one better. Since you have hints of black on your car.
Yeah, and this one also is this is the premium S garnish which I changed. So,
Yeah, the Proton.
yeah, this whole garnish is the premium S is black color, so it's not the body color. And then other than that, roof wrap.
Roof black.
Yeah, wrap. And
Also on the glow beneath purple.
yeah, underglows.
Basically, his car is very clean. He used to have graphics on his car, but now it's very clean. What's beneath the engine? I never seen the engine bay of this car. Honestly, he never showed me. So you guys will see it with me. Yeah, it's pretty simple. There's a bit of RGB here. Open port. Basically, you done this lah.
Open port K20
K20
plugs. Yeah, pearl plugs, and then I changed the strut to Ultra Racing. It's more heavier and more stable when I use this. There's the strut bar also. Damper, yes, damper. And then mostly it's all the Samco hoses for the radiator, for the air.
Yeah, it's pretty basic
Yeah.
of the mods you do.
Yes.
Basic of when you buy a car, it's pretty basic. You want to open port your car, you want to hear a bit of noise of the air coming in. I think his vision of the car is very simple, and I like it because nowadays people want to graphic their car, want a bit of sticker on that, sticker on this, make it wilder to the eye. But I think for older car, simplicity is a way of you want to show you are an older car enthusiast. So I think that's pretty much it. It's a very simple car. You can't see very much of the mods, but it does have certain mod that is very unique to the eye. I love the rims, deep dish rim. He used to have a positive ET.
No. It's more towards positive than now. It's more.
Now it's negative, right?
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
it's always negative, but the negative, the lower the number, it's more inside. That means
Yeah.
it's more out, it comes out the rim. Whereas if you're getting more towards the 80-35, so it comes a bit out the middle part of the rim. So your rim is more inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it is.
It's basically the regular rim lah.
Yeah.
Compared to this, it depends. So you have a lip. So I like it. I do plan to put BBS rim, BBS RS. Looking to find that in 15-inch. Still looking for it. Hard to find BBS in 15.
It's okay. You can do it.
Usually we find it 16, 17.
Yeah, true.
15 it's hard a bit to find. Yeah, I don't want to arch it because I want to keep the stock one. I want to keep the stock look. So I'll have to find a 7.5 JJ BBS RS in 15. So finding that is a bit hard. So I will find it and put it on Ato before retro. So we'll see. So again, thank you Isaac for
Thank you
the
so much,
interview.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
And we will see this car a lot in the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.